How to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the settings icon on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the settings option. You will then be led to the settings page, so tap on the security option you see there. Now, under the two-step verification tab, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for two-step verification that you want to disable. For instance, I will disable two-step verification from email. So once toggled off, you will receive a confirmation pop-up. Tap on the confirm button there and you will then be required to verify your identity. So go ahead and enter the verification code sent in your email and then tap on the verify button, and with this, two-step verification will be disabled. So this is how you can turn off two-step verification on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.